Hello student. Now we are with the first activity, angles in a circle. You know how to divide a circle into equal divisions with the help of set squares. Don't worry if it is not in your good memory. We are once again going through that. Just see, now we are dividing the circle into equal parts with the 90-degree angle of the set square. See, one division, the second division, and finally the fourth division. When a circle is divided into equal divisions with the help of 90 degree of the set square, you found that you have got 4 divisions. That is 360 degree divided by 90 degree is equal to 4. That means number of equal divisions is 4. Then now let us move to another angle of the set square. See, now we are with the 45 degree angle of the set square. Now look, 1 division, 2, 3, and finally the divisions completed. Have you seen how many divisions are there? Look the numbers, 8 divisions. That is, when we have divided the circle into equal divisions with the help of 45 degree angle, you have got 8 equal divisions. That is, when the size of the angle at the center is halved from 90 to 45, the number of divisions doubled from 4 to 8. As the size of the angle decreases, number of divisions increases. In these two cases, you can identify that. Now let us continue with the 60 degree angle. You see, 1 division, 2nd division, 3rd division, 4th division, 5th division, and finally 6th division. When we divided the circle into equal divisions with the 60 degree angle of the set square, you have got how many? 6 equal divisions. That is, 360 degree divided by 60 degree is equal to 6. Now let us try with the least angle of the set square is 30 degree. Look, how many divisions? 1 division is already over. Then the second one comes, 3rd one, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and finally 12th. How many divisions are there? 12 divisions. What about a 60 degree angle? You got 6 equal divisions. What are you seeing here? When the angle at the center decreases from 90, 60, 45 and 30, the number of divisions of the circle increases from 4, 6, 8 to 12. Have you find the box, content in the box? And have you seen NB? Write it in the notebook. Now, there is a worksheet for you. You just go through that. Okay?
NCLAPS, Kerala's biggest educational research hub. Download today.